Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for this webinar about working in conveyancing. My name's Marty and I am the Acting Manager for the Property Licensing at New South Wales Fair Trading. In this video, I'll be taking you through some licensing requirements for conveyancing. We'll cover how to apply and renew licenses, eligibility for individual and corporations, and disqualified persons. It's important to point out that the information provided in this video is general in nature and is not to be considered as legal interpretation or legal advice. New South Wales Fair Trading acknowledges the traditional custodians of the lands where we work and live. We celebrate the diversity of Aboriginal peoples and their ongoing cultures and connections to the lands and waters of New South Wales. We extend that acknowledgement of respect to the custodians for the lands on which you're watching this webinar. So how to obtain a licence. To become a conveyancer in New South Wales, you'll need to apply for a New South Wales conveyancer licence. You can apply online via the Service New South Wales website, which takes about 20 minutes. Before applying, ensure you have proof of identity, qualifications, work experience, and referees ready. The Conveyancing Licensing Qualifications Order 2006 provides more details on the qualifications and experience required. There is also a licensing application fee payable on lodgement. Additional forms such as licensing charge or notification of partnerships particulars may also be required. Check the New South Wales Fair Trading website for required documents. If you're applying for a corporation to be licensed, you'll need to nominate a licensee in charge who holds a valid New South Wales conveyancer license. Corporations must also provide documentation outlining their business structure, partnerships, and compliance with financial and trust account requirements. All directors must meet the fit and proper person requirements outlined by New South Wales Fair Trading. Assessing your application may take up to 30 business days and longer if external checks are needed. If approved, you'll receive your license by email and your details will be added to the public register. If unsuccessful, you'll receive written reasons and appeal options. How to renew a license. When you need to renew your license, New South Wales Fair Trading will send you a renewal notice with instructions about 4 weeks before expiry. Before you renew your license, ensure you have completed the required continuing professional development, which is often referred to as CPD. You'll need to complete your renewal online via the Service New South Wales website. When renewing, you'll need a My Service New South Wales account. Setting up an account requires 2 proof of identity documents: your license and renewal numbers, payment of the fee. And for corporations, additional renewal requirements include ensuring the corporation's nominated licensee in charge has met all licensing obligations, including their CPD obligations, updating any changes to the corporation directors, partnerships, or business structure as required by New South Wales Fair Trading. Remember to renew your license before it expires to avoid becoming unlicensed. If your license expires, you'll need to restore it within 90 days by paying a restoration fee. If your license remains expired for more than 90 days, you'll need to submit a new application. You'll also be unable to conduct conveyancing work until your license is reissued. Renewing before expiry saves you time, keeping you authorised to conduct conveyancing work. Who is and who isn't eligible for individuals? Both individuals and corporations can be eligible to apply for and hold a conveyancer's license. For individuals, to be eligible, they must be at least 18 years old, be fit and proper person to hold a license, hold appropriate qualifications and experience, not be a disqualified person, be insured under an approved policy of professional indemnity insurance, contribute to the Property Services Compensation Fund, which is paid with the license application fee. Who is and who isn't eligible for corporations? For corporations to be eligible for a license, each director of the corporation must be a fit and proper person. Neither the corporation nor a director or executive officer of it may be a disqualified person. The corporation must contribute to the compensation fund, which is paid with the license application fee. Professional indemnity insurance must be held by the corporation. At least one director of the corporation must hold an individual conveyancer license. Who is a disqualified person? What makes a disqualified person? An individual can be a disqualified person for a number of reasons. Some of these include if an individual has been convicted of an offence involving dishonesty in the last 10 years, if an individual is disqualified or had their licence suspended in another state or territory under any law administered by New South Wales Fair Trading, have been declared disqualified as a result of disciplinary action under the Act, have failed to pay a compensation fund contribution, a debt arising from a claim on the compensation fund or a monetary penalty, have failed to comply with the direction given by the New South Wales Fair Trading Commissioner under Part 9 of the Act, or have failed to lodge an auditor's report relating to trust money held under the Act within the required time. A full list of what constitutes an individual being a disqualified person can be found on our website under Conveyancer Licenses. So for more information, for a copy of relevant Act or regulation, go to the New South Wales Legislation website at www.legislation.newsouthwales.gov.au. For more detailed information on what was presented today, go to the New South Wales Fair Trading website at www.fairtrading.newsouthwales.gov.au, the Australian Institute of Conveyancers New South Wales Division at www.aicnsw.com.au or call 02 9633 1355. Thank you for listening today, and I hope the information has been useful.